Hello developers, in this video we are going to learn the concept of callbacks in JavaScript. So that basic definition of callback is, it is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. And callbacks make it easy to run code in a specific order, especially when dealing with asynchronous tasks like fetching data. Okay, so there are some disadvantages of callback. We will discuss it after we understand the concept of callbacks. So we come to the basic example of callback first. Okay, so firstly we create a function process task. We can give any name of the function. We have given process task. So here we will accept two parameters. One is task and one other one is callback function. Okay, and we will call this function from here. We will specify the task as homework. And in the callback, we are passing one function. We can name the function as finish task. Okay. So we will create this function here, function finish task. Okay. We are going to console it and we will say task completed. We are printing task completed. Okay. So now this finished task, it is a function and we are passing that function in the process task. Okay. So process task, we are calling it from here, and in the arguments we are passing one more function, finish task. Okay. So here we are printing starting task. So this homework will go into the task and this task will get printed here. Okay. And this callback, it will contain this finish task function, this function. Okay. So after this, we are doing callback. Okay. So this, it contains finish task function and it will execute it here. So this is the concept of callback. Okay. Executes this callback will executes the callback function passed as an argument. So this is the argument in process task. Okay. So can you guess what will be the output here? Firstly, process task function will be called homework and finish task as an argument will go in the parameters of process task. So then console will print. So it will print as first starting homework. Okay. Then this function callback, this finished task will get executed and it will print as task completed. Now we will run this in the terminal. Node then file name. So the output is printing as firstly this starting homework, then task completed. Okay. So this process task will take two arguments. One is task name and another one is callback function. Then it logs a function, it logs a message that is starting homework. Okay, then it calls the callback function to indicate that the task is completed, this one. So when process task is called with the finished task as the callback, finished task is executed after the initial task message. Okay, so firstly starting homework will get printed, then this task completed will get printed. Okay, so this is the example of basic example of callback function. So the major use cases are, we used to handle the asynchronous tasks like fetching data, timers, and input output operations. Okay, so it basically ensures that the code only runs after the data has been received or an action is completed. So this is the concept of callbacks in JavaScript. So one major disadvantage of callback is callback hell. Sometimes we get callback inside callback, then callback inside callback. So this is the disadvantage. It makes the function slow. We need to optimize the functions. So using callbacks, we are not able to optimize it properly. So we should use promises or async await to overcome the disadvantages of callback. So this is the concept of callbacks in JavaScript.